Born in Scotland, Thomas Lesley arrived at Anlaby in the early 20th century. As head gardener, he managed a team of up to 13 gardeners who assisted him in maintaining owner Henry Dutton's grand vision for the garden. Together they developed one of Australia's great gardens. In his diary, Thomas recorded the daily routine of maintaining such an extensive garden. He included the weather, with minimum and maximum temperatures, and wind direction. The gardens expanded to 10 acres, with a large conservatory, a pelargonium house, and a cucumber house. 2 arboretums were established for exotic species of trees such as oaks, maples, pines, and more from all over the world. Subsequent owners of the property, such as Henry Dutton, were also very keen gardeners. In Out in the Open, an autobiography, the poet Henry Dutton, who was born at Anlaby in 1922, wrote, "However enthusiastic my parents were about the Australian trees in their plantations, natives were excluded from the inner garden. As Miles Franklin said of her mother's garden, it was like a ring around the house to keep Australia out." After leaving Anlaby in 1914, he became chief plant propagator at the Adelaide Botanic Gardens.